Hi everyone! On today's tutorial we will be working on the first project in my new Sitting Stuffies series. These are some of the projects that I have patterns for so far. We've got a strawberry tart, corn on the cob, a cookie, and today we will be working on this sitting marshmallow. Let's get started. You will need a stitch marker, yarn needle, 5mm hook for the legs, a 6mm hook for the body, scissors, black yarn for the mouth. For the legs, I'm using Parfait Chunky super bulky yarn, and for the body I'm using Loops and Threads Sweet Snuggles Light. We're going to start off doing 6 single crochet. If you struggle with the magic ring, you can do chain 2 and do your 6 single crochet in your second chain. For row 2, we're going to do an increase in every stitch, which will give us 12 stitches at the end of row 2. Row 3 is just going to be a single crochet in every stitch for a total of 12. Row 4 will be a single crochet and a decrease 4 times for a total of 8 at the end of the row. Row 5 will be a single crochet all around. Row 6 will be 2 single crochet, 2 decrease, and 2 single crochet for a total of 6 at the end of this row. I'm just going to tuck my end in now. That's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, 2 decrease, and 2 single crochet. And for the last row, row 7, it's a single crochet all around 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, now to end off, we are just going to squeeze this flat, and we are going to do 3 single crochet across the top. So that's 1, in through this side, out through the other, 2, and in through this side and out through the other, 3. And then you can fasten off, pull your yarn through, and use your yarn needle to put your yarn down through the leg. Don't pull it too tight. And you can just cut this off. So we'll make 2 of these, and then we'll get started on the body. We're now going to start on the body with 6 single crochet and a magic ring. For row 2, we are going to do an increase in each stitch for 12 stitches at the end of row 2. I'll meet you back here. Row 3 will be 1 single crochet and 1 increase for a total of 18 stitches at the end of row 3. I'll meet you back here at the end of row 3. Row 4 will be 2 single crochet and an increase for a total of 24 stitches at the end of row 4. Row 5 will be a single crochet in the back loop all around, but we are going to add in the legs, so we'll work through that row together. So starting in the back loop only, we're going to do 8 single crochet. Now for the next 3 stitches, we are going to work in our leg in the back loop only. So we will put our hook through the leg in the back loop and make a stitch. That's 1, hook through the leg, through the body, and make a stitch. And 1 more time. Through the leg, through the back loop only of the body. And there you go. And now we're going to do 2 stitches in the back loop. And sew in our next leg. So we'll put our hook through first stitch, the back loop only of our body, that's 1, 2, 3. And we'll continue on with 8 more stitches in the back loop only to complete row 5. So your marshmallow should be looking like this so far. Now we are going to continue on with rows 6 to 11 with single crochet all around. So I'll meet you back here at the end of row 11. We can now insert our safety eyes into row 8 about 5 stitches apart. You just want to make sure that they're lined up with the legs. And these safety eyes, I just purchased these off Amazon. Continuing on, we are going to work on row 12, which is a single crochet in the back loop only for 24 stitches. I'll meet you back here at the end of row 12. Row 13 will be 1 single crochet and 1 decrease, and you can start stuffing as you go. And our final row, which is row 14, will be a decrease, which will bring us back down to 6 stitches. We can now fasten off and sew our work together. And our last little detail is just to put a little smile on this guy. That's what we have so far. It sits up nicely. I'm just going to use a little bit of black yarn for this. Want to go in through the side. Come out just below the eye. Down in a V shape, back out the other side. Back down to the bottom of the V and out through the side. And just tuck in our ends. I haven't actually sold these guys at markets yet, but my daughter and her friends love them, so I think they're going to be a big hit. There you go. And that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications to be notified for the next tutorial. Let me know what you'd like to see. We have the strawberry tart, corn on the cob, and this cute little cookie. Thanks for watching.